Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Landwolf on the Ethereum blockchain. So ticker symbol for this token is Wolf. This was actually just a viewer suggestion, a comment saying, hey, go check out Landwolf on Ethereum, do a video on that, an info video. So this is going to be a video talking about the new ERC20 Landwolf token and the information on it. And they're also getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange listing very soon. I've already done a video on Landwolf on Avalanche, on AVAX. If you guys haven't seen that token, check that one out. This is a matte Furie character just like Pepe. And Landwolf on AVAX was very popular. And obviously Pepe and Brett and Andy and a bunch of other of these Matt Furie characters are very popular. There's also a new token called Brit, which is like the female Brett. I just posted a video on that token. That's another popular one, so check that out. But this video is just going to be about Landwolf on Ethereum. We're going to go over the token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their Telegram at Landwolf_token. They have 1,260 subscribers on there so far. You can preview the channel. Check it out before joining, but that's a great place to see updates regarding this project. Also on their Twitter, which is right here, at Landwolf ERC20. They just joined in December 2023. They have 8,116 Twitter followers so far. You can see on their Twitter, which is at Landwolf ERC20, they have a link to their Telegram at Landwolf_token, and then a link to their webpage, wolfland.io. It says, I am Pepe's coolest best friend. They have the blue verified checkmark. 1,115 tweets. So obviously they're very active on the socials here. Lots of tweets. And it was just recently tweeted out here by Bitmart at Bitmart Exchange on Twitter. It says, upcoming new listing. Bitmart is thrilled to announce the upcoming new listing of the Wolf token, Landwolf ERC20. That is coming soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further exciting announcements. So this token will be listed on Bitmart very soon. So one way to get this token is to download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section when it gets listed, and then simply just search Wolf and then buy the token. So you can follow Landwolf's Twitter, which is right here, or you can follow Bitmart's Twitter, and they're going to announce soon when this token listing will be on Bitmart. They just, an hour ago, it says we have officially been listed on Coin, or Compare Market Cap, which is like a coin listing site, kind of like Coin Market Cap. And yeah, so they just got listed on there. So they do announce all their new listings on their Twitter here. They posted the Bitmart listing here, and they already have, thousands of holders here. According to a recent tweet, they almost have 4,000 holders. They're probably past that now. Max total supply, 420 million 690,000 tokens. That is their max total supply. So you can find this token on Etherscan. And, you know, all these holders here, how did they get the token? Well, you can get the token off a decentralized exchange called Uniswap. So basically, if you don't want to use Bitmart, or you don't want to use a central exchange, or maybe Bitmart's not available in your country, or you want to get it before it gets listed on Bitmart, you can get it off Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with ETH, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your ETH for the Landwolf token using the contract address that you could find right at the top of their webpage, wolfland.io. It's just listed right up here. Real easy to find. It's the first thing that pops up on their page. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll try to find that in a second. But just be aware also there's going to be gas fees on Uniswap. They do Twitter Spaces if you want to listen to them talk about the token on their Twitter there. So they have on their webpage roadmap, tokenomics, frequently asked questions, a buy button that'll take you to Uniswap. They have a DEX tools chart, their Etherscan. They have Twitter, Telegram, all sorts of links on there. It says, in the whimsical world of Boys Club, Wolf stands as Pepe's best friend. Through their shared antics and laughs, their friendship blossoms, painting a picture of camaraderie amidst delightful absurdity. Together, Wolf and Pepe navigate their unique humorous journey, embodying the spirit of Matt Furie's imagination creation. So they have 1% buy tax and 1% sell tax. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap, you'll probably have to set your slippage around 1%. So it says, Wolf is a unique currency that will evolve past all TradeFi predictions. Wolf is both a meme coin and a culture coin, meaning it's heavily focused on the use of memes and community engagement. You can get involved with this token by getting the token off Uniswap, participating in community discussions on Telegram, Twitter, or Medium, and spreading the word through memes. And then it has here at the bottom of the page a link to a DEX tools chart, their socials. So yeah, 4,013 holders so far. Token price is around 3 cents per token, 18 decimal places on this token. And right now they have an on-chain market cap of a little bit over $12.6 million, according to their Etherscan. So go check out this token. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.